So this last one is really like just UI change. Like I just made a few UI changes to make sure that people can use the full capability of SAI a lot better, right? And so I just really wanted to show that to you guys right here. Hey guys, so today I just really quickly wanted to show you guys something called the SAI Commands Builder, right? It used to be called a Formula Builder, right? And this is it right here. So as you can see here now, it says SAI, right? When you click it, it has 4 tabs, so generator, history, settings, and guide. So in the generator, what we have here is you can set the input and output type of whatever you want, of the SAI command that you want to use. And then if you type it, SheetXAI, we're going to automatically create it for you, right? So here I just want to say, write a cold email about, right? And so as you can see here, it will automatically put it right here ready for you to copy and just paste, right? Now, granted, there could be multiple pages, right? So it could be A, B, C, D, H. You choose the columns, right? So essentially, if you type write a cold email about, and then you want to reference all these columns, it's going to do that too, right? Write a cold email about blah blah blah, right? So then you could copy this, then you could paste it right here, and this would have everything, right? So this is just very good when you don't want to learn how to write SAI formulas. And the input type has everything: PDF, image, URL. The output type too, like scraping, audio, everything, right? So that's pretty nice. That's really, really nice. On to the next tab. So we have history tab. This should have your 5 most recent SAI commands that you typed, right? So if the 5 most recent SAI commands were this, they would appear right here, right? Then we have settings. Now here's the settings tab. With the settings tab, what's happening here is there's different settings that have to do with SAI and that have to do with the chatbot, right? So the settings tab here of the SAI Commands Builder is SAI call formats, right? So this one just kind of decides what do we notice, right? So currently, I've always made all my videos with hashtag SAI, but you could use @SAI, and if you turn this on, you could just use SAI. I don't recommend using this one purely because of the fact that if you have data that has just people's names, there's a high chance there'll be somebody whose name is SAI or has SAI in there, and then that can mess up everything, right? The next thing is chatbot settings as to whether you want to press enter to send or you want to press command or control enter to send, right? And the last thing is sheet-wide actions, such as make all formulas static. Now that just simply means turning all the formulas into text. And specifically, it's for the SAI formulas. So that means like AI formulas made by SheetXAI. The second thing is monitor all formulas. So this monitors all formulas for errors. So it's going to look through the sheet to try to figure out if there's any formulas that return an error. And if it finds one, it's going to resend it, right? The last one is reset credit errors. So this one, same thing. It literally looks through the sheet, finds credit errors, right? And when it finds an error that's a credit error, that means if it's like you try to perform an operation which you didn't have enough credits for, after you've replenished your credits, instead of you having to go in and like change the credits again, and instead of you having to go in and click on each cell and rerun it, you could just press this and it's going to reset all of them, right? And the last thing, we have a guide. So this guide teaches you how to use SAI. It shows you everything, right? Like this prefix is to analyze and extract information. This is for websites, right? Image, right? And so it even shows you what array is, right? And it gives you some examples right here. It tells you how cell references work, right? So it's like current row, column A in this row, specific cell A2, stays fixed even in array formulas, right? Fixed range, column range, specific columns, right? So you could use all of these, right? And then right here we have array examples. So any of these would work perfectly. And I believe that's it. Thank you very much. All right, so that completes all our updates for this week. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always being here with us. And I think that's it. I think that concludes everything. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate everybody that's been supporting us. And please keep supporting us. Please keep supporting us. We have a lot of features, a lot of different things that are coming that will blow your mind. You don't even have any idea of what's going to happen with SheetXAI in the next few months. And yeah, keep us in your prayers and just hope. And yeah, we're working really, really hard in the background. Thank you so much. And I hope everyone has a nice day. Thank you.